As IFP, we value the interest and are committed to transparent in communicating our policies and plans for the improvement of early childhood development and the life of young children in our country. The Inkatha Freedom Party recognized the critical importance of early childhood development in shaping the future of this country, South Africa. Our party policies, also outlined by our manifesto, emphasize the accessibility, quality, and equity in early childhood education and care. We believe that investing in early childhood development lays the foundation for a lifelong learning, social development, and economic prosperity. If elected to the office, the IFP is committed to implementing the concrete measures to support ECDs and young children across the country. This includes increasing funding for ECDs program, enhancing trainings and professional development opportunities for ECDs workers, and establishing comprehensive support system for families with young children. We prioritize the expansion of ECD services in underserved communities, ensure that every child has an access to higher quality early learning experiences. In addressing the current challenges affecting young children and ECD sector is a paramount to the IFP. We will work to address the issues such as inadequate infrastructure and sufficient resources by working together with stakeholders, including traditional leaders. We will develop holistic solutions to promote the well-being and development of our young children. Thank you.